YouTube? It's Carolette, and today is day 59. Whoa, these are really big numbers. Wait, I think today's day 59? I don't know how to count, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay, so yesterday, my roommate had a performance, and I didn't get to go, but then my other roommate went to go watch, and then when she came back, she was like, oh, there's these temporary tattoos that they were giving out of the logo for their acting group thing. I was like, oh, that's really cute. And I was like, how cool would it be if I put the temporary tattoo on and I drew something to go around it? And then I drew all day, and then eventually I figured something out, but now it just doesn't even have the original in it. I took it out, I was like, it doesn't fit anymore. So, let me present to you this, which is what I drew today. Is it zooming in? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, this is kind of Mass Effect themed. So, at first it was just the star and the swirl in the middle. This part, at first it was just the star and the swirl. And the stuff, I worked around it. So, like, the moon, it was originally their logo, which is like a moon with a fox in it. And then I drew the side stuff. And then I thought, well, at first the bottom was something different. It was like some more stars, and it was some cool design. And then I was like, well, I want to do like a phrase. I want to write some words on here. So then I was looking stuff up, and I was like, maybe there's some funny lines I can do. So I was like, well, my favorite game is Mass Effect. Let's just go through some memorable quotes. And then eventually I remembered that one of the characters in there, he's a type of alien. The race is called Drell. And if you're a Drell, then you believe in this religion. And there's a whole bunch of different goddesses that you believe in. And one particular one is called Kalahira. She's the goddess of oceans and the afterlife. And this is spoilers. But in Mass Effect 3, this particular character, who is a Drell, Thane, that's his name, he dies. And he says a final prayer to Kalahira, which is the goddess of ocean and the afterlife. And I really wanted to do something, like, it was a really nice prayer. I thought it was really cool sounding. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll write some of that. But then I couldn't pick which line. So then I was like, oh, screw it. So I just wrote her name. So that's her name in the middle. And then this, like, curvy stuff, I guess that's water. That's supposed to symbolize waves. Here's a drop, and then the little whoosh that's on the drop. For those of you who've seen the Mass Effect logo, it says Mass Effect, and then there's like a whoosh. So that's what I was trying to do with the whoosh. And then there was a moon with the fox in it, right? But the fox didn't fit anymore. So I took out the fox, and I was like, well, what has to do with, I don't know, oceans and the afterlife? And I couldn't think of anything. So then I was just like, oh, let's just do the Paragate symbol. So that's what I did. So that's the Paragate symbol. So this is very, very Mass Effect-y. It wasn't meant to turn out like this. It was just supposed to be like pretty and whatever. And like I actually had an idea on the back with the Assassin's Creed Animus logo with the Mass Effect whoosh. So here we go. The whoosh. I thought that looked cooler than the water drop with the whoosh, but then I was like, So yeah, so now that I actually have this, I wanted to draw it on myself, and it would look really cool, but I don't really know if I'm going to have time to do that at all. Yeah, so we'll see. But it was fun, and actually I definitely wouldn't mind sort of expanding this in a way. Like if I were to get like a sleeve, I'd just have a sleeve of just Mass Effect stuff, and it'd be like a bunch of, pieces that represent characters, and I guess Thane would be one of them. I would feel really bad if I didn't have something for all of them, though, but then that'd be a really big tattoo. But anyway, maybe I'll talk more about tattoos tomorrow, if I even have time. It will also be very late, because I will be out all day. Yay, I love being busy. So anyway, this is my day. I spent a lot of my day doing this because I was just bored in class. If I do get it on my arm, though, I will show everybody, and it will look cool. Anyway, that's my day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.